Go ahead, you're good. Yep. Combo. You good? Good. A lot of people out there? There you go, I got 2 combos. Combo! There's one. There's your second one. Here. From me, come test me, sacrifice the virgins, spiritual Orion.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm good. No problem. Drinking, dancing, they worship a toast. Heard that. You seen that, Francis? That's a B.F.C. Damn it! What a fucking Philly scoop. Heavens will help us. What do I got? What am I working on?
You got that buffalo chicken sandwich,
Right.
pork melt,
Right.
and the 4 cheese.
Yeah, done. All of it's done. You can go to the next one. Thank you. Shit.
2-piece combo.
Got it.
Ranch or barbecue? Yeah, okay.
Well, I ain't superstitious. That is the 4 cheese. It's all bullshit, don't you know? Hold on. There you go, there's that pork melt.
Pork melt.
Thank you. Chicken's still cooking, almost done. Sharon and Karen. I couldn't really give a fuck. Take your silly superstitions. Chicken shit, sissy worm, and tell them. Superstitious. Two-piece.
Okay. But you don't want no buffalo, right? Okay.
What do you got?
Loaded chicken fries. Add buffalo.
I'm gonna take a picture of this.
That's just evil.
Can I get a, yeah. You, go ahead. Thank you. Appreciate it. Hey, what up, Philly John? What happened to Philly Mike? I wonder what happened to Philly Mike, man. It's good seeing you, Philly John. Yeah, we're not gonna have much left after that, but could I get a little count, maybe?
Well, I didn't know but how much. If you wanted me to do a count.
Yeah. Well, I mean, I just literally dropped chicken.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a normal thing every day. Once again. Nobody?
Okay, I've got another chicken fry.
Awesome.
Back.
Sounds great. Thank you. And that's it, actually. I got some sandwiches left, but that's it. Of tenders. So anybody that didn't speak, forever hold their peace. Of course, as soon as I get burgers up, nobody fucking orders a burger. Two natural spinning stops. Another game starts in. A bit of playful sin, load another bullet. The second round begins. A couple grams of lead. A touch against the trigger. A touch solid. No I use for that. Beautiful. Same order?
Yeah.
No problem. Collect your money kill. Soon as the spin is stopped, another game starts in. No idea. somebody. Here you go. What?
I said, man, look at you go. I'll get that. Ready for your chili before I
Thank you.
like started putting everything up.
Boxes. Come on, next victim. Whew. That would have sucked. Cheese stick. Burger.
Making it rain. Combo.
Awesome. Mayo?
Yes. But no,
No tomato.
that's ready for you. I'll be right back with your drink.
It's the burger right there. Yep. Just waiting on some fries for this other. The green manlishi.
There's that, and then there's that. Yeah, burger's coming up. Everybody's waiting on chicken right now. What can I get for you? There you go, combo. And then drink. That's ready for you before you step up on the step. There's the Dr. Pepper. Oh, water for you, sweetheart. All for you.
Bacon a little bit, please.
Yep. You got it.
Yep. All right. Who had a member? Who? What up, Kebra? What up, Dwayne? Yeah, I don't like hot ranch myself, guys. Oh, Ramos, prep. Thank you for re-upping, Ramos. Thank you, brother. No problem. There we go, Ramos. Thank you for re-upping. Memberships. Ah. Ugh. Son of a bitch. Oh, shit. That's hot. Yeah, good line, good size line today. We just gotta get them in, get them out. You doing okay, Pam?
How about you?
I'm doing fine. I gotta go ahead and get the next. All right, that's the one they called earlier? No problem. So that's all I got. There you go, buffalo chicken fry. I don't like hot mayonnaise either, but people like it.
All right, that's the loaded chicken fry.
I'm gonna have to change music here in a second. Phew. Hot. Feel at home. Hey, Wistrol, happy birthday yesterday.
I'll make that large.
Yeah, large cheese fry. Excellent. The Conjuring. Obey. What's that last one? Loaded chicken fry.
Loaded chicken, yeah.
Got it.
Yeah, I forgot about my chicken. Will you sprinkle me some cheese
Got it.
on here and I'll leave you alone.
Done. Come, this is Cardinal Point. Fork it and forget it.
Okay.
Lash from a black cat's eye, a straw of a broom. Don't summon the patty melt.
I saw you almost ready with it. Set it down.
go, fams. I don't know if I'm missing anybody. I'm sorry if I am. We're with a fam today. What's up, Grass Man?